In this video, we will show you how to assemble the Dream Easy queen-sized air mattress. In the box, you will find a carry bag, airbed, repair patch, and instruction manual. Unfold the bed and lay it flat on the floor. Ensure the pump is in off position. Open the switch and remove the electrical cable and connect it to your nearest outlet. Before you inflate, make sure that the valve is closed. Rotate the pump knob clockwise to the inflate position as shown. It takes roughly around 4 minutes to inflate the bed. Once the bed is inflated, turn off the pump to off position. Unplug the cable from the outlet and store it into the pump. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information on this product, click on the link below.